Hello, I'm Dr. Mark Darcy, and this is another episode of my Science on the Edge podcast, BITESIZE. As stated previously, if you follow me, I have my long-form podcasts, which are an hour or two long, and the short bite-sized episodes, and this is one of those. This bite-sized episode will be on the topic of resveratrol, a very short overview. Resveratrol has been in the news off and on since the 1990s. When it was discovered by a couple of Harvard professors. Resveratrol is present in things such as grape skin. It is an antioxidant. Antioxidants can have all sorts of benefits. They mop up molecules known as free radicals. Free radicals accumulate in our bodies as a sort of byproduct of respiration, of breathing, of eating, of living. And these free radicals can also cause all sorts of damage. And they are associated with the process of aging. So antioxidants, and vitamin C is an antioxidant too, they help mop up antioxidants. They are antioxidants. They help to mop up free radicals. Now, resveratrol is an antioxidant, and it helps to mop up a lot of free radicals. It's a potent antioxidant, so it's protective. It's protective against free radical damage. What form does that damage take? Well, damage can include damage to your cardiovascular system, to your brain, and to various other organs and tissues in your body. So resveratrol helps to protect against such damage. This has been shown in a number of experiments, both on cells and on various animal models, such as mice in the lab. In some experiments, resveratrol even seemed to extend the lifespan of these animals. So not only were they healthier, but they lived longer. So they're healthier and they lived longer, an increase in health span and lifespan. How does resveratrol work? Well, I've mentioned its antioxidant properties, but it also helps to switch on certain classes of genes known as sirtuins. And these genes, without going into too much detail, I'll save that for one of my long form podcasts. These sirtuins, they help to stimulate the cell to go into a process known as autophagy. Now, autophagy is when a cell senses that there is some sort of nutrient deficiency around it, and it needs to kind of lock itself down, become more efficient so that it can survive the starvation period and then prosper when the starvation period is over. So autophagy, when it's stimulated, and it's stimulated by these sirtuins, which are stimulated by resveratrol, autophagy causes a cell to sort of recycle its internal components. So any damaged organelles, these are small structures in the cell, any damaged proteins and other molecules get eaten away. They get destroyed, recycled and used for energy. So autophagy kind of clears all of the rubbish out of our cells, or at least a lot of the rubbish, leaving the cells younger, more vibrant, and healthier. So stimulating autophagy can be a very good thing, and resveratrol has been shown to do that. So to summarize, resveratrol is an antioxidant. It stimulates autophagy. It also is anti-inflammatory, brings down inflammation, and inflammation is associated with all sorts of diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's, arthritis, and various other conditions. So bringing down inflammation is a good thing. Resveratrol has also been observed in some experiments to lower cholesterol levels in the body. So all in all, a useful molecule that seems to have very few side effects. One of the side effects I should mention, though, is that if you do take large amounts of resveratrol, it can result in slight digestive issues. So maybe a slightly dodgy tummy, or maybe slight diarrhea. But you need to take quite a bit of resveratrol to experience those symptoms. Okay, so that's all for now. If you want to follow me on Twitter, my Twitter handle is @MarkOfTheD. That's MarkOfthe, capital D. That's all for now. Thank you and goodbye.